In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your iPhone contacts to iCloud. Keeping your contacts updated and backed up is essential, especially if you're moving to a new device or just safeguarding your information. Let's get started and I'll guide you through the entire process. First, you'll want to ensure that you are signed in to your iCloud account on your iPhone, which is pretty straightforward. Start by locating your settings app. It's usually found on your home screen and looks like a grey gear icon. Once you have it open, you'll see your name at the top of the menu. Tap on that. If you aren't signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. From there, look for the iCloud option and tap on it. Navigating to iCloud is like unlocking the door to a suite of Apple's cloud services where you will control what data you wish to sync. Moving on, once you're in the iCloud settings, scroll through the list to find contacts. You might notice you can toggle several options on or off. Make sure the toggle for contacts is switched on. Doing this will begin the process of syncing your phone's contacts with iCloud. The toggle should be green, indicating that iCloud is now integrating with your contacts app. As soon as it's turned on, your contacts will start syncing to your iCloud account. This is an automatic process, which means you don't have to do anything else besides wait a bit for it to complete. At this point, it's handy to keep your iPhone connected to a Wi-Fi network, as using Wi-Fi not only speeds up the syncing process, but also saves on mobile data usage. Depending on the number of contacts you have, this process can be quite fast. Now, be a little patient and allow a few minutes for your contacts to sync completely. You can use this time to double check your Wi-Fi connection to ensure everything is working smoothly. It's important because a stable connection is key to efficiently transferring all your contacts to the cloud. Once completed, your contacts will be safely stored in iCloud. This means that not only are your contacts backed up, but they are also available across all your devices logged into the same iCloud account. This feature is particularly useful if you're planning on making device changes, or if you simply want the peace of mind of having a secure backup. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to sync your iPhone contacts to iCloud. This setup ensures that your digital life is organized and accessible whenever you need it, wherever you are. Thanks for watching and happy syncing.